Bitcoin is breaking a bit to the downside now, but do not get fooled because this looks to be a massive trap. We are going to need to be talking about that exactly in today's update video. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin, what will be happening next for Ethereum, and more importantly for our altcoins. So as always, we'll be talking about that and many more things. So as always, let's get started with a shorter time frame. And in a shorter time frame, yes, Bitcoin has been breaking ever so slightly back to the downside. But like we can see, Bitcoin is still range trading from this consolidation range right over here. We've been breaking above the middle line level of resistance, and right now that exact level is turning in towards support. Previous resistance is right now flipping into support. So do not get fooled, do not get trapped at this current moment. At the same time, the data is still looking extremely good because yes, we have been having that bull flag breakout to the upside with a breakout target sitting all the way to the top side of the range. On top of that, we are still having this falling wedge breakout also with the target sitting at the top side of the range. Now at the same time, we still do have the stock market and the gold price hitting new all-time highs almost every day. Bitcoin has been lagging behind slightly, but Bitcoin always catches up and always retraces back with the stock market and back to the gold price. On top of that, we are also having the crypto liquidity increasing with more stable coins being minted, and we can always see that Bitcoin is following shortly after. The entire crypto market is always following shortly after. On top of that, we also have the M2 global liquidity still moving to the upside. This bottoming out signal, the hidden bullish divergence exactly at the bottom. So yes, I do think we have some more lags to pull to the upside in that shorter time frame. Definitely this is going to be a little bit of a dip, which we are seeing now, but it is nothing to be worried about. It is just going to be another dip for buying. So that is what I'll be doing myself. I will be buying this dip right now on my week's account and with my 10k challenge account. You can join this platinum group where I share everything absolutely in real time with that first link down below. It's free to join. Because yes, I do think we can be headed even higher. Grab the range highs and then we should be getting cautious. In this next bump, we should definitely start to get very cautious. I've been bullish throughout the entire bull market, but only right now I'm starting to get a little bit more cautious for an incoming top that might be up and coming. I didn't call for any tops anywhere in this entire bull market, but right now I'm starting to get a bit more cautious. Anyways, I am giving away $1,500 in this trading competition that we are running with Weeks. So if you're interested, make sure to check out the link down below, join the platinum group, and over here you'll see the link to join in this trading competition. Because there's only 37 participants now, it's very easy to grab some easy free money. 5 lucky winners will get $100 bonus, and on top of that 1k will be distributed on this leaderboard. It's very easy to still win and come on this leaderboard. Check it out with the links down below. Anyways, our trades are absolutely printing. Everything I shared in the platinum group, and like you can see over on Weeks, well, all of the trades are still in a massive profit. Now, one thing that I will say for Ethereum is that it is shaping up very nicely with an ascending triangle being created now. There's either going to be a break to the downside. In that case, I do expect we're going to be grabbing the lows, just like we have been doing over here, grabbing the lows and then initiate higher, just like we have been doing over here, grabbing the lows and then initiate higher. We could be doing the same thing again where we grab the lows and then initiate higher, but I will say that if this ascending triangle will already break to the upside over here already, it's just going to be very likely we will continue this breakout. I am already in my positions, so I do not really care whether we're going to be seeing a break to the downside first or if we're already going to be moving to the upside now. I'm going to be benefiting from both directions. Definitely for Ethereum it is shaping up very nicely, still consolidating, still in a waiting room, and whenever this consolidation breaks out to the upside, I definitely will expect we're going to reach at least the 6k 7k target. ETHBTC is also looking bullish with a bit of a consolidation being created right here as well for ETHBTC in the lower time frames, so definitely a big breakout is going to be incoming for Ethereum, and I myself am getting a lot more bullish on altcoins now. So during this Bitcoin dip, we which we are seeing getting right back into support, I will definitely be longing some altcoins. Make sure to stay tuned for that in my Platinum group in the 10K Challenge channel. Anyways, I'm expecting that during this last part of the cycle, the Bitcoin dominance is still going to be decreasing massively. Money will be flowing a lot more into altcoins, and altcoins can be seeing much bigger explosions. The Bitcoin dominance is already falling to the downside slightly. It has been moving to the upside ever so slightly this night again, but the general trend is still to the downside, and our altcoins are still pumping massively. So that's good to see. The altcoin market cap is also breaking out to the upside now. Like we can see on the total tree, it is breaking into new all-time highs, and I think we are reaching this easy mode in the cycle now, where the total tree can see a significant pump to the upside, and during this significant pump, it's just going to be easy to be longing your favorite altcoin and just to make a lot of money from that. But keep in mind that during this last part of the cycle, during this last and final rally and final pump, it is going to be important to take your profits, okay? Very important to keep that one in mind. If you have been following me for a longer time, I do think you're doing incredibly well in this bull market, so probably you're also in a massive profit, just like I'm currently doing. And if you are in that massive profit, make sure to take that profit once we see this final pump and once we see the final legs of this bull market. Anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out the week's link down below, because with this link, you can claim a 10K Ethereum trade for free, which perfectly confluences and perfectly goes with this upcoming breakout that we're going to be seeing. And on top of that, you're also going to be eligible for a 30K deposit bonus and 25% trading fee discounts. So make sure to be checking that one out. I'm definitely loading up. Do not get fooled on this little bit of a dip which we are seeing. I'm still targeting the upper side of the range, just like we have been doing right over here after the fake breakdown, just like we have been doing right over here after the fake breakdown. So yeah, do not get worried at all. Anyways, check out all of the links down below. Join the Platinum group. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.